Yes, today we are going to see PL appropriation. This is a chapter based on CBSE Class 12 Accountancy. The chapter name is Partnership Fundamentals. In this chapter, basically the main full focus will be there on preparing PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Before that, those who have recently completed class 11 and from class 12 when they are starting this chapter, in class 11 what all things you read, trading, PL, balance sheet, that was for sole proprietorship business. Okay, this PL appropriation we are talking about, we have to focus on partnership form of business. Okay, partnership. Acha, what is partnership? You know, where two or more persons jointly they come together to do the business. There is a mutual agreement. Okay, lawful business should be there. It's not that two or three persons are entering into agreement for any unlawful activity. No, it should be lawful. Okay, there must be an agreement between them, that is called as partnership deed. Here some basic characteristics or features of partnerships are mentioned. Aman and Zara, they have given that. The written document which defines all the legal terms and conditions of the partnership, that is partnership deed. Okay, and there is thing mentioned that partnership deed can be oral or written, but to avoid any conflict and dispute in future, it must be written in nature. Instead of keeping it in oral, it should be there that it should be written in nature. Yes, this based on this thing, this slide which I'm showing, based on this you have a basic first sum of your chapter in illustration also and exercise also. What this slide is trying to say, if in case of absence of partnership deed, okay, what all things you have to do or what all things you should keep it in mind. In case of absence of partnership deed, or if there is no partnership deed, you should keep these things in mind, that interest on capital will not be allowed, means partners will not get any interest on capital. Second thing, interest on drawings will also not be given, means will be charged. Then salary and commission to partner, that also will not be paid. Okay, these three things will be completely zero. Means suppose if a question is mentioned that there is no partnership deed and any partner is asking for interest on capital, so you will give the answer that according to partnership, in the absence of any written agreement, in absence of deed, interest on capital, interest on drawings will not be allowed or charged. Okay, this would be the answer for this question. This may come in MCQ and all. Okay, third, the fourth important thing is, in case of no partnership deed, what they are saying, profits or losses will be shared equally. Okay, there will be no ratio. If suppose any partner is saying that I have worked much harder, I should get more profit, no. So in absence of partnership deed, equally the profits will be shared. And when a partner is giving loan to a firm, so in that case you have to keep it in mind, he can't demand higher rate of interest. Suppose partner A has given 5 lakh rupees loan to firm, firm. Now that partner can claim interest of only 6%, not more than that. Okay, this thing is also very important to be noted. Is it clear? If a partner has given loan to the firm, then he can claim interest at a rate of 6%, not more than that. These are the very important things which you should keep it in mind in the absence of partnership deed. Yes, here they are differentiating between PL account and PL appropriation. PL account prepared after trading account. PL appropriation is prepared after PL account. Means in sequence wise, if you see, first trading, then PL, then comes PL appropriation. PL account is done to prepare net profit or net loss, where PL appropriation is prepared to ascertain the net profit which each partners will be getting. PL अकाउंट इज चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट, मीन्स इररेस्पेक्टिव प्रॉफिट हो या ना हो उसके खर्चों को वहाँ दिखाने हैं. और PL अप्रोप्रिएशन में जो होते हैं ना आइटम्स, दैट इज अप्रोप्रिएशन प्रॉफिट. यू विल बी गिविंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल ओनली व्हेन प्रॉफिट्स आर अर्नड. if you are not able to earn profit, you can't give that interest on capital or other items. Okay, so basically PL appropriation is prepared to divide the profit, divisible profit. Okay, this is an appropriation of profit, whereas PL account is prepared irrespective profit earned or not, that expenses has to be borne or that has to be beared by the business. तो PL account हो गया charge against profit method और PL appropriation of profit. Here you can see more nicely difference between or explanation about the charge against and appropriation of profit. Like charge against profit, what is mentioned, see, must be paid even if the firm suffers a loss. That only I wanted to say, मतलब फर्म को प्रॉफिट हो या लॉस वो नहीं देखा जाए, फर्म का लॉस भी होगा तो ये खर्चे फर्म को देने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है। जैसे चार्ज अगेन प्रॉफिट के एग्जांपल क्या क्या है, रेंट पेड टू पार्टनर, इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स लोन वगैरह। और वहीं एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट क्या हो गया, ओनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इफ देयर इज एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट रिमेनिंग, मतलब वो बास्केट में है तभी बांटा जा रहा है, अगर नहीं होता तो नहीं दिया जाता। Appropriation profit refers that only that amount is to be distributed if actual profit is there. For example, partner salary, interest and capital transfer to reserve can take place only when there is enough profit available with the firm. Yes. Partner's capital account class is prepared based on two methods. One is fixed capital method and the other is fluctuating capital. Under fixed capital method, two accounts are prepared. One is capital and the other is current account. It is given in your book DK Goel specimen format. So when you are maintaining partners capital account according to fixed capital method, you are maintaining or preparing two account. One is capital and the other is current. And in case of fluctuating capital, only one account you are preparing, that is known as partners capital account. Okay. What is the difference between that? You can understand that in case of fixed capital, there is two account, I said, one capital and current. So in capital account, only the amount of capital, that all will be coming. Okay, it is mentioned below. You can see balance fixed capital balance remains static unless capital introduce or withdraw. मतलब जो capital, एक नया पार्टनर जो पैसा लाया है बिजनेस में, उससे निकाल लिया जो पैसा, सिर्फ वही जाता है कैपिटल अकाउंट में। उसके अलावा इंटरेस्ट, सैलरी, ड्रॉइंग, ये सब जाता है करंट अकाउंट में, ठीक है। और ऑन द अदर हैंड फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल में क्या होता है, वहाँ पर सारा चला जाता है, मतलब ऑल द आइटम्स, ठीक है, ऑल आर रिटन इन वन अकाउंट, दैट इज नोन एज फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल। इसका स्पेसिमेन फॉर्मेट बुक में पूरा अच्छे से 2 पेज में क्लियरली दे दिया है, ठीक है। और इन केस इफ दे इज नॉट मेंशन दैट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट किस मेथड से बनाना है, मेंशन नहीं है क्वेश्चन में, देन वी जनरली फॉलो द फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड, मतलब फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग बनाते हैं, ठीक है। दिस इज जस्ट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द चैप्टर पार्टनरशिप फंडामेंटल। ओके,